In this video, I'm going to discuss the most important multiple choice questions about embryology which comes in different competitive exams of biology। लिहाजा अपने इस वीडियो को स्टार्ट से लेकर एंड तक पूरा देखना है ताकि ये क्वेश्चंस आपको अच्छी तरह तैयार हो जाएं। तो चलिए दोस्तों शुरू करते हैं आज की वीडियो। Question number 1. Sugar fructose is present in the secretion of Bartholin's gland, Cooper gland, perineal gland, prostate gland. So correct answer is option D. Sugar fructose is present in the secretion of prostate gland. The main function of prostate gland is to provide lubrication as well as nourishment to the sperm. Question number 2. The Cooper glands are found in female amphibian, male mammals, female mammals, male amphibian. So correct answer is option B. Cooper's glands are also known as bulbourethral glands. They are found in male mammals. Question number 3. The meroblastic cleavage refers to which type of division of eggs? Total division of eggs, spiral division of egg, incomplete division of egg, horizontal division of egg. So correct answer is option C. Meroblastic cleavage means incomplete division of egg. Question number 4. If mouth develop from blastopore, the organism is called as deuterostome, protostome, blastostome, none of these. So correct answer is option B. If mouth develop from the blastopore, then the organism is known as protostome. And if anus is developed from the blastopore, then organism is known as deuterostome. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन की तरफ जाने से पहले मेरी आपसे दरख्वास्त है कि अगर आपने अभी तक इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब कर लें और साथ ही मौजूद बेल आइकॉन को भी लाजमी प्रेस कर दें। क्वेश्चन नंबर 5. Two formative movements that take place during the gastrulation are involution and invagination, epiboly and emboli, invagination and ingression, ingression and delamination. So correct answer is option B. Epiboly and emboli are two formative movements that take place in the process of gastrulation. Question number 6. The third cleavage during the development of frog is latitudinal and below the equator, latitudinal and above the equator, meridional passing through the Great Crescent, and equatorial. So correct answer is option B. The third cleavage in during the development of frog is latitudinal and above it is equator. Question number 7. In an oocyte, the second maturation division occurs in ovary, abdominal cavity, fallopian tube, uterus. So correct answer is option C. In oocyte, the second maturation divisions occur in fallopian tube. Question number 8. A spermiogenesis refers to formation of spermatid, metamorphosis of spermatid into sperms, phases of multiplication of spermatogenesis, growth phase of spermatogenesis. So correct answer is option B. Spermiogenesis refers to the metamorphosis of spermatids into sperms, and this process takes place in epididymis. Question number 9. The double uterus is present in whale, elephant, marsupial mammals, none of these. So correct answer is option C. Double uterus is present in the marsupial mammals. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन की तरफ जाने से पहले अगेन मेरी आपसे दरख्वास्त है कि अगर आप इस चैनल पर न्यू हैं तो प्लीज़ इस चैनल को लाइक करें, सब्सक्राइब करें और साथ ही मौजूद बेल आइकॉन को भी लाजमी प्रेस कर दें। क्वेश्चन नंबर 10, the reproduction in larval stage is called pedogenesis, neoteny, parthenogenesis, parthenocarpy. So correct answer is option A. Reproduction in larval stage is called as pedogenesis. Question number 11. Failure of descent or descending down of testis in scrotal sac is called vasectomy, cryptorchidism, impotency, eunuchoidism. So correct answer is option B. The failure of descent of testis in scrotal sac is called as cryptorchidism. Question number 12. Eye is developed from which layer? Ectoderm, mesoderm, ectoendoderm, both A and B. So correct answer is option A. The eye and also the other facial structures all derived from the ectodermal layer. Question number 13. The structure which remains unchanged during the metamorphosis of frog tadpole is lungs, heart, intestine, nervous system. So correct answer is option D. Nervous system remains unchanged during the metamorphosis of frog's tadpole. Question number 14. In frog embryo, the spreading of layer of presumptive ectodermal cells on the underlying mass of cells is called epiboly, invagination, ingression, delamination. So correct answer is option A. In frog embryo, the spreading of ectodermal cells on the underlying mass of cells is called as epiboly. Question number 15. The most primitive type of mammalian placenta is epitheliochorial, syndesmochorial, endotheliochorial, hemochorial. So correct answer is option A. Epitheliochorial is the most primitive type of mammalian placenta. Question number 16. The development of egg without fertilization is called parthenogenesis, gametogenesis, metagenesis, oogenesis. So correct answer is option A. Parthenogenesis is the development of egg without fertilization. Question number 17. The cortical granules are associated with oogenesis, spermatogenesis, cleavage, fertilization. So correct answer is option D. Cortical granules that are bag-like structures present in the egg and they are associated with fertilization. Question number 18. The initial step in the activation of ovum is penetration of sperm into the egg, fertilizing-antifertilizing reaction, formation of fertilization cone, formation of fertilization membrane. So correct answer is option A. Penetration of sperm in the egg is the initial step in activation of ovum during the fertilization. Question number 19. Mosaic cleavage occurs in camel, dogfish, whale, earthworm. So correct answer is option D. Mosaic cleavage occurs in earthworm. Question 20. Natural parthenogenesis occurs in protozoan, earthworm, all insects, honeybee. So correct answer is option D. Natural parthenogenesis occurs in honeybee. तो ये थे 20 मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस अबाउट एम्ब्रियोलॉजी। अगर वीडियो आपको पसंद आई है तो प्लीज़ इस चैनल को लाइक करें, सब्सक्राइब करें और साथ ही मौजूद बेल आइकॉन को भी लाजमी प्रेस कर दें ताकि इस तरह की लेटेस्ट वीडियो का नोटिफिकेशन आपको आगे भी